Hi there, today we're back in Booty National Park. We're going to do the walk down to Box Head and back. Along the way we're going to stop at Tallow, Little Tallow Beach. When we get to the end, I think the view from Box Head will be quite spectacular. Let's go have a look. Let's go for a walk and talk. Parking's at a premium in the area. I managed to find parking near Hawkhead Drive. You can't park along that road and you need a four-wheel drive to get further on down the track. There's a few houses on Hawkhead Drive. We've left them behind now, which continue 2 kilometres down this gravel road. From the side of the track, we get glimpses of Brisbane Water and Rip Bridge in the distance. Soon we are getting views of Broken Bay. There's Lion Island, and there's Box Head with Barrenjoey opposite. These white and yellow native flowering shrubs are an indication that spring has come early to this area. Here's another view of Brisbane Water. There's Tallow and there's Tella Beach just over there. We've reached the car park near Tella Beach. You can only get here by car if you have a four-wheel drive. Once through this gate, it's about a 900 metre walk down the hill down to the beach. This part of the path winds its way through Head High Coastal Heath, which covers the area behind the beach. Here's our first good view of Tallow Beach. The strong wind blowing onto the beach from the east. The last bit of gravel road before we get down to beach level. Down the path, and pretty soon we emerge onto the beach. Great view, isn't it? I managed to get a couple of great photos down on that headland. I'm heading over to have a look at the other end of the beach. It's around a 400 or 500 metre walk. There's some fantastic colours and patterns on these sandstone. Looking north across Tella Beach up to Guerin Point. I chose this spot with this view to have a little break in my walk. Have a little drink and a snack. It's just perfect, isn't it? Just making my way the 100 metres over this little headland to Little Tallow Beach. Little Tallow Beach is a secluded beach and less than 15 metres wide. I think we need to go down onto the beach and do a 360 view. Fantastic view. Heading back towards Tallow Beach, then up the hill to the main track. There was a bushfire here last week. It was actually turned back by the firefighters. They contained it pretty well. nearing the point of Box Head, looking back towards the north. Looking out across Broken Bay from the end of Box Head, you can see the smoke from a fire that's between Barrenjoey and West Head. Looking a bit further around, there's Lion Island, and there's Brisbane Water. It's now just around about a 3-kilometre walk back to our starting point. We're just about to finish the walk now. All that's left is a 2-kilometre walk down a gravel road down that way. I think we'll have to agree that this has been quite a spectacular walk with some really fantastic scenery on this one. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.